Hello guys, welcome to our channel Inspiring Minds. In today's video, we are going to discuss the top 10 tips that you can use to crack NEET 2020. Watch this video till the very end because in the end, I'm gonna share 2 bonus tips with you that you can use to ace NEET exam effectively. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Tip number 1. Stop daydreaming. Daydreaming is natural, but it will lead you nowhere. I repeat, nowhere. So stop daydreaming and act. You must be daydreaming about your future college, friends and stuff. It's very natural. I used to do that a lot. I still do, but now I do for little. Just imagine about the result day when you don't get good marks, then you can't live your daydream. So it's important to act instead of daydreaming. Tip number 2. Stay away from social media. Yes, one of the major cause of our failure is social media. Just fuck Instagram, fuck Snapchat, fuck Facebook and everything. I know seeing your friends enjoying their life with new college and friends will make you jealous and it will break your concentration. But if you are looking for the bigger picture, if you want to achieve something higher in life, then you need to set your priorities and you need to quit social media for the time being. Tip number 3. Keep distance from your relatives or from toxic people. Sometimes relatives can be super duper toxic. They could taunt you, they could tease you and insult you in front of everyone just to make you feel bad. But who cares? So stay away from such toxic people so that you can concentrate on your main goal. Tip number 4. Make good and colorful notes. Use color pens to look your notes more attractive and easy to remember. Mind maps and diagrams can help you to create visual representation of ideas, concepts and their interconnection, which may be easier to remember and recall during an exam. Tip number 5. Make proper timetable. You have got 2 months for NEET 2020 exam, so this is not the time to read everything and read the things that you haven't read in the past 1 year or in the past 2 years. This is the time to revise. So make sure you are doing the proper revision. You are going through the topics that you have already studied and not the topics that you have not studied. But if someone is watching this for NEET 2021, then you guys have got at least a year for your NEET exam. So make sure you utilize that time effectively. In that time being, you can finish your entire syllabus and you can also revise the content 2 to 3 times. So make sure you have a working timetable in place. If you haven't watched a video for the timetable, then it's on our another channel. I would be putting a link somewhere here, or else I would be putting a link in the description so that you can go and watch that video on our another channel. Tip number 6. Do NCERT sincerely. We all know NCERT is our Bhagavad Gita, Bible, Quran, whatever you say. Do NCERT at least for biology and chemistry. For bio, you don't have to read anything except NCERT. Approximately 85% of questions last year were asked from NCERT. Last year, 77 to 78 questions were asked directly from NCERT, 6 were indirectly asked, and 4-5 questions were from outside. So, the bottom line is you have to stick to NCERT. Tip number 7. Revise. Revision is the key to success. You have to revise everything anyhow. There is no way that you can skip revision. Revise not only in the last few months but every day. Tip number 8. Don't search for motivation. Create one. Well, don't waste your valuable time watching motivational videos. See, the thing is, little did we all know what's good for us and what should we do. We all know how to make plans, but we don't follow that plan regularly. That's the main problem. So stop searching for ideas and motivation. Just be in discipline. Discipline is more important than motivation according to me. So stick to your goals, stick to your plans, make plan and work towards it every day. There is no doubt that you won't achieve what you want to. You just have to stick to your plans and just do what needs to be done. Tip number 9. Solve question paper. See, I know it seems difficult, but if you want admission in Indian Medical College, then you have to do it. Once you are done with your syllabus, start solving last 10 to 15 years of question papers and then analyze it. Tip number 10. Teach what you studied. According to me, one of the best way to determine whether you understand something is to teach it or explain it to someone else. This will help highlight gaps in your understanding and will help you clear the concept and retain it for a longer time. So these were the top 10 tips that you can use to ace your NEET 2020 or NEET 2021 examination. But if you're still watching this video, then that means you are a loyal subscriber of this channel, or if you're new to this channel and if you're still here, then I would like you to go and press that red subscribe button, and if you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends. As promised, now I'm gonna share 2 bonus tips with you that are the most important tips that you must follow. Bonus tip number 1, get more exercise. Do exercise for 30 minutes daily without any fail. Due to exercise, oxygen will increase in your body, due to which the blood flow to the brain will also increase. And it will boost your memory and brain ability to retain new information. Bonus tip number 2, get enough break. Sleep for minimum 6 hours. Sleep allows your brain to convert short-term memories into long-term memories. Also, don't study for more than 30 minutes at a time and take small 5-10 minutes break in between. Regular break not only gives your brain a chance to absorb what you have been concentrating on, but also helps to keep you focused and motivated for a longer time. Last but not the least, don't forget to take time to have fun. I just want to conclude this video by saying that you have to understand the difference between you have to study and you want to study. Once you figure that out, then you can go from feeling like you have to study to feeling like you want to study. Remember that you don't have to study if you don't want to, but usually you will want to because you would rather study than face the consequences of not studying. Are you getting me? So with that being said, remember that pain is temporary, but a medical degree is forever. So I hope this video was helpful. And like I said, if you like this video, if you like our content, then don't forget to show some love and subscribe to our channel and share this video with all our friends, with all the NEET UG aspirants that you know. Till then, take care. See you in the next video. This is Dr. Ayush, co-founder and MD at Inspiring Minds, and you just watched Inspiring Minds.